Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for returning, and I really appreciate you all. I believe you're all doing great by the grace of God. If it's your first time, you are warmly welcome. I would love to have you here, so please subscribe to join this amazing family. Family, today we are making another oil, and it's none other than lemongrass oil. Lemongrass oil is very essential in our homes, and today I'm going to show you two ways of making lemongrass oil. It's so quick, so simple, and easy to make. Lemongrass oil is so loving. I love the aroma, I love the beautiful smell, and it can help release anxiety, and many more. Let's get started. First, of course, all you need is your lemongrass, and they are nicely washed, guys. So now I'm patting them dry, or you can even leave them in the sun, or even let the air dry it, okay? If you want to use the lemongrass oil for a longer period of time, then make sure that there is no water in the lemongrass at all. So at this stage, pat it dry properly, air dry it properly, or even sun dry it properly. That is the best option, okay? Do that and you are rest assured that your oil will stay longer on the shelf. Once they are patted dry, I'm going to air dry them for some few minutes and I'll cut them into pieces. You can even use your knife, but the kitchen scissors works faster. Okay? And I'm going to also cut the white part off. I don't need that in the oil, but you can use it anyway, but I don't want it now in the oil. Okay? So use them if you want. It's optional. Family, we are almost there, so go nowhere. It's time to add any carrier oil to the saucepan and add the lemongrass. And I'm using coconut oil. You can use olive oil, sunflower oil, almond oil. Just use any oil of your choice, okay? I'm dividing the lemongrass into two because I'm showing you two ways of making lemongrass oil, and this is the first method. Okay, so add any carrier oil and let it be above the lemongrass or the same level as the lemongrass. Okay, just as I'm doing. I'm going to let it simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes whilst it infuses its nutrients into the coconut oil. Okay, do this on a low to medium temperature is the best, okay? This is the second method and I'm transferring the lemongrass into the bowl like this. And after that, I'll use my carrier oil, which is the coconut oil. Use any carrier oil of your choice, okay? You can use almond oil, olive oil, sunflower oil. Just use any oil of your choice and let it be above the lemongrass or at the same level as the lemongrass. Okay? And with this, we are using the double boiling method to infuse the nutrients of the lemongrass into the coconut oil. This one is almost done. Very soon I'll turn off the heat and I'll let it cool down before I strain the lemongrass infused oil into a jar. So for our family, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and recommend this channel to friends and families who may also like my videos. And if it's your first time, hey, I would love to have you here. You are warmly welcome. Please subscribe, click on the bell button to receive notifications whenever I upload new videos and you will never regret it, okay? Now don't forget to check on them periodically and let it still be at the low to medium temperature. Stir to combine everything nicely and beautifully together. Stirring will help the lemongrass infuse its nutrients faster and properly into the oil. It smells amazing. Now that it's all done for me, I'll just turn off the heat and let it cool down before I strain off the lemongrass infused coconut oil into a bottle or any container of my choice. Now I'm going ahead to also mix the coconut oil and the lemongrass with my spatula, yes, like this, so that it will infuse faster and properly, and I'll be done and dusted in no time. Okay, like the first one, if it's infused to your desired level, then turn off the heat and let it cool down. Okay, finally, family, we are here and you can see that this coconut oil is well infused with the lemongrass nutrients. It is so amazing. It smells beautiful. So now, family, let's strain the oil into our container, and just like that, we'll be done making our lemongrass oil. Lemongrass oil has so many uses and is a favorite for massage. It offers purifying benefits for the skin and promotes a positive outlook. Lemongrass oil also supports healthy digestion when used internally. It can help eliminate anxiety and can help soften hardened skin. I love lemongrass oil and family. Just like that, I am done. This is so amazing. For more videos like this, like and follow my Facebook page, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's build this amazing family together. I hope you've been inspired. Thank you all for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good. Mwah. Take care. Bye, y'all.